Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the HDR quality tutorial in CapCut Mobile. So this tutorial will break down the exact settings and effects you need to achieve that trending cinematic high dynamic range look that gets your video noticed. So stop settling for flat colors. We are using CapCut's tools to give your footage that expansive detail film with a professional camera feel. Now let's just get started. You can just tap on new video and choose the video that you want to edit. Here, for example, I'm going to edit this videos. And now you can just click on the video and then swipe until you find the video quality options, this one. Then tap on enhance quality and choose the Ultra HD options, this one. Now the enhance quality feature has been applied, and now you can just head into filter and then find a 4K filter in here, this one. You can adjust the intensity to how you'll prefer. I'm going to go with 50. Click on a check icon and now head into video effects and find the HDR 2 video effects, this one. Click on adjust and you can copy this adjustment. For the glow, lower it all the way to 0, range 45, and the size 10, sharpen 40, atmosphere 10, and the blur all the way to 0. And that's it. Click on the check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length of the effects. And just like that, you'll get this HDR quality for your video. So guys, that's pretty much all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks. And also, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.